Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to showcase you what we are going to unbox this week. So as you saw my video earlier, the Hot Wheels hunt when I went to Malaysia. So we are just picking the first 6 cars from that particular set. So let me just showcase you that. So if you didn't see that video, go ahead and see that video. So you might love it. If you are really a fan of Hot Wheels and Matchbox, you will surely love it. So the Dart Charger, and so this I don't remember this is from which case, so please don't ask me that. And Master Apo, okay, this is from B case, which I remember. And here is the 55 Chevy. So this is also from B case. And so the DMC D Lauren. Okay, this came in I think both B and C case, if I'm not wrong. And my personal favorite in this case, so this is also from B case, the Mustang X5 Miata. So this looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is like the Carvette, custom Camaro casting we had during 2023 and also in 2024. So I personally love the 2023 paint job because that was like a kind of a matte blue with the livery on the side, just exactly like this, but it says speed in, I think, in Chinese. Okay, last but not least, which is this one, the Mercedes-Benz 500e. This is for this week we are going to unbox. So stay tuned for this video, guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.